What if I told you that 3 months from now you could be working in tech earning 40 to 70,000 euros a year, starting from absolute zero today? No degree required, no bootcamp fees, no previous experience. I've seen people do this dozens of times, and today I'm going to show you the exact 90-day blueprint that actually works and worked for me. And this is how I got my first IT job just after 3 months of preparation and one Coursera course. In fact, today my employer is actually hiring entry-level positions if you are in Europe. I want to recommend you to my company, so stay with me as I will share tips, tricks, why I want to recommend you to my employer once I know you, and how you can contact me. Furthermore, stay until the end because I'm giving you the daily checklist that separate people who succeed from people who stuck. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sirat, IT support and cybersecurity specialist. I share practical advice about living and working in tech, especially here in Germany and Europe where I work. Today's video is different. It's for anyone, anywhere who wants to break into tech fast, even if you have zero money to invest right now. I'm breaking down the fastest, most realistic path I have found in years of working in this industry. Alright, let's get in. The 45-day certification sprint, the foundation. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need a 4-year degree or an expensive bootcamp to start in tech. What you do need is proof that you know something valuable, and the fastest way to get that proof is certifications. If you can dedicate 2 to 3 hours per day, you can get your first tech certification within 45 days. And I'm going to show you how to do it completely free or almost free. Best free resources. First, Professor Messer on YouTube. This guy is a legend. He has complete free training course for CompTIA certifications, which are the gold standard for beginners. You will learn about the hardware, networking, security, troubleshooting, all the foundations you need. Zero cost. Second, Microsoft Learn. Microsoft has an entire learning platform with structured paths for Azure and cloud technologies. And here's the bonus. They regularly run challenge programs where if you complete a learning path, they give you a free exam voucher. That is a 100 to 200 euro exam for free just because you finished their course. Third, AWS Skill Builder. Same concept as Microsoft. Learn cloud computing, and sometimes AWS offers free vouchers during special events or challenges. These 3 resources alone can get you certified without spending anything. I have used and I'm using all of these resources right now. What if the exam isn't free? Now, some certifications require you to pay for the exam even if the training was free. And I know not everyone has a couple hundred euros sitting around. But here's my advice. If you're serious about this career, treat it like an investment in yourself. CompTIA and other vendors offer 0% interest payment plans through services like Affirm or Klarna. You can split a 200 or 400 euro exam into small monthly payments over 4 months or more. I know some people don't like the idea of financing anything, but think about it this way. Your first tech job will likely pay for all your future certifications and will give you a massive salary increase. People spend more money on things that don't build their future. New phones, night outs, subscriptions they forget about. A 300 euro certification today can unlock a 50 to 80,000 euro job tomorrow. Don't let a small payment plan stop you from changing your life. Part 2, the resume. Why most people fail after getting certified. So you have got your certifications. Congratulations, that's a huge step. But here's what most people hit a wall. They apply to 20 jobs, hear nothing back, and start thinking maybe tech isn't for me. Wrong. The problem isn't you or your certification, the problem is your resume or your strategy. I used to hear people say, I don't have time to customize my resume for every job, but that excuse doesn't work anymore because now we have AI. Here's what you do. Open ChatGPT or any AI tool, use this exact prompt. Here's my resume. I'm transitioning into tech. Please tailor this resume to fit the following job descriptions. Paste the job description, upload your resume, hit enter. The prompt is also in the descriptions below to help you not write it down. In 30 seconds, the AI will rewrite your resume with a better summary, relevant technical skills, and bullet points that match exactly what the company is looking for. If you want more detail, just type "add more detail to this resume." This matters because most companies use ATS, application tracking system, that scan your resume for keywords before a human even sees it. If your resume doesn't match the job description, it gets filtered out automatically. That's why people with good certifications still get rejected. Tailoring your resume is non-negotiable. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Next, LinkedIn. If you don't have a strong LinkedIn profile, you are invisible to recruiters. Here's what you do. Update your headline. Instead of student or looking for opportunities, write something like IT support specialist, CompTIA A+ certified, transitioning into cloud and cybersecurity. Add your certification, add your skills, write a short summary about your journey and the projects and the portfolios that you have completed. Then, and this is the game changer, start connecting with tech recruiters. Search for tech recruiter in the people tab. Follow them. Send connection requests with a short note like your name. I'm currently transitioning into IT and recently earned my X certification. I would love to connect and follow your job updates. Do this with 5 to 10 recruiters every single day. Within 2 weeks, your LinkedIn feed will be full of real job opportunities for beginners. This is how people get interviews without applying through company websites or Easy Apply. Part 3. Apply like your life depends on it. The numbers game. Now comes the part nobody likes, but everybody needs to hear. You need to apply to a lot of jobs. Here's the reality. About 80% of job postings already have internal candidates lined up. Companies post a job because they legally have to, but they already know who they are hiring. So if you only apply to 5 jobs a week, your chances are almost zero. So it's the best time to say that my company is actually hiring entry-level and second-level IT support technicians in Europe. If you have any of these certifications or you get them, feel free to contact me. And I have a 2-week free mentorship guide to help you prepare you with the technicalities, your CV, and also do mock interviews to prepare you for the interview so that you get a job in my company or with my company that I work for, my employer, and become my colleague in one of the projects that we have. Why I'm doing, I have to be honest, that by referring a successful candidate, I get a bonus. And I am fully dedicated to fully prepare you to win the job and become one of the employees of the company that I work for. Feel free to contact me through social media or write in the comments below that you are interested and I will contact you directly. So if you only apply to 5 jobs a week, your chances are almost zero. The people who succeed, they apply to 10 to 15 jobs per day. That's 300 to 400 applications per month. I know that's much. I know that sounds exhausting, but think about it like this. If you are applying to tailored resumes using AI, each application only takes a few minutes, and the math works. One person I know applied consistently for 1 month and ended up with 4 job offers in the same week. Don't limit yourself. Another mistake people make, they only apply to remote jobs or jobs with their dream title. Please stop it. Apply to everything that's even remotely related to your skills. Help desk, IT support, junior cloud roles, service desk, anything entry level in tech. Your first job doesn't have to be perfect. It has to get you in. Once you have experience, you can level up fast even in 1 year. And don't take rejection personally. Most of the time, it's nothing to do with you. Just keep doing and going. The 90-day checklist. Your daily action plan. Alright, let me give you the exact daily and weekly checklist to follow for the next 90 days. Every single day, study for your certification for 2 to 3 hours. Apply to at least 10 jobs. Tailor each resume using AI. Engage with recruiters on LinkedIn, like their posts, comment, stay visible. Every week, connect with 10 to 20 new recruiters. Update your LinkedIn with your progress, post about what you are learning, and add new skills or mini projects to your profile. That's very important. Every month, attend at least one networking event, virtual or in person. Review your progress and adjust your strategy. This is the system. It's not sexy, but it works. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats experience. Consistency beats luck. If you follow this plan for 90 days without quitting, you will see results. Breaking into tech with no money, no degree, and no experience is absolutely possible, and I am a live example of it. It has been done by thousands of people, and these strategies work if you put in the work. The people who fail are the ones who give up after 2 weeks. The people who succeed are the ones who stay consistent even when it's very hard. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to 90 days, just 90 days of following this blueprint. That's it. If this video helped you, do me a favor, please hit that like button, drop a comment telling me where you are starting from, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. This helps me really and a lot. And if you want more strategies on working in tech or working with me in my company in Germany specifically, check out the video I am linking in the descriptions. You have got this. Let's build your future together.